Hey Wahid,
Yes, Nazreen.
what is network security?
In a network, we have network devices. So when we say network devices, we have equipment such as switches, we have equipment such as routers, firewalls. Your precious traffic, application traffic, is passing through all these equipment. So how are we going to protect all this traffic passing through this network equipment? Actually, we are referring to as a network security.
After training, what do you think our students will be able to learn?
Well, our students will be able to understand the traffic directions. Our students will be able to understand how actually firewalls stop the traffic inspection, how inspection happens, how intrusions happens, how intrusions can be prevented, how intrusions can be stopped, how IPS works. So basically, we discuss about security at all these different devices like switches, routers, firewalls, and we practically demonstrate the hacks as well as defensive part as well. Look, when we talk about the security, I always explain to my students security can be defensive, security can be offensive. So the defensive part of the security is where you have devices like firewalls, like intrusion prevention systems, intrusion detection systems, and various security devices come into the picture in the defensive security. Whereas when it comes to offensive security part, this is where the programs such as ethical hacking or penetration testing, they come into the picture. So in the defensive security, you are trying to learn how to stop various types of unauthorized access. In the offensive security, other way around, like hackers, like white hat or black hat, these people, they try to access something, some information assets or some sort of equipment. They try to bypass or they try to gain access to some applications without being authorized, without being authenticated. So this actually is a sort of we're trying to do the penetration. It can be testing, sometimes it can be unauthorized access, which is actually hacks. So we have, like I said, two sections of it, two different parts of it, offensive and defensive. So you have to understand this part, and after that you can plan your learning accordingly.